What's up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie here, and I'm new, and I'm here. I'm here with an all new video. As you guys can see, I'm putting on that really cute bob wig as you saw in the previous clip. So this is an old 24-inch synthetic straight wig that I had made like over some time ago. I haven't worn it in months. It was like crazy tangled, and like you can see, I just absolutely did not want to deal with this because it was crazy, and I just really wanted something different. I wanted a change, so I decided that I was going to wear the wig this way. So yeah, um you guys can just follow through. So here I've set my wig on a mannequin head just so that I can work. So I'm unbraiding the little braid I had made the last time I wore it. Then I took my scissors and cut the hair close to the length that I wanted it to be. Not exactly the length I wanted it, but close to the length I wanted it to be, just so that I don't have too much work to do when I'm detangling it. Then I took a little bottle with water only in it, so I sprayed the water onto the hair to make it softer, and then I'm using a comb to detangle the hair. So I'm just brushing down the hair with a comb. This is a wide tooth comb, by the way, so it's really easy. I'm just really patient, running along those lines with the hair, trying to get every knot loose and stuff. So as you guys can see, there's like little hair sticking out down there, so I'm gonna cut those out as well. And yeah, pretty much. So I kept going back and forth with the water because the water really helps the hair to get really soft. So yeah, and then I went into this little hair cutting tool. I don't know what it's called. It's like shaped like a comb, but it has like a razor blade in it. I really don't know why I used it. I think I was just excited to use it or something, but it was very useless in this particular moment. But yeah, so I sprayed the water. So I sprayed the hair with more water because it just makes it really easier when the hair is wet and when you have to cut it. So yeah, so I kept on brushing it just to help me get rid of all any single tangle in it. So now I'm shaping the hair, trying to get it as even as I could possibly get it. So I'm using my finger, as you can see, to help me with the shaping and the cutting, and to make sure that I am cutting at least along the lines. It was so crazy because you had to really visualize, and oh my god, it was so crazy. And remember to cut the inside, guys, because I noticed how it's very easy to forget that. There's always some hairs that like stick out on the sides. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's not very even, but that's also because my camera was a bit at an angle, and also because the hair is not bone straight, so every single strand of hair is going in its own direction, so it makes it look like it's very uneven. But yeah, I got it as even as I could get it, and when I put it on, you can't really tell. So yeah, now I'm using my heat protectant because I'm gonna be straightening the hair. So basically I just use this heat protectant just for the glossy look because I am obsessed with that look for some reason. But yeah, and then I took my flat iron and I just straightened the hair and curled it up in the ends into that little bob effect. I was so tired when I was doing this. It was like really late at night. It was a school day the next day, but I just really wanted to get done with this. I don't know why I decided to do this in the middle of the night, but I did it anyways. But yeah, so I'm trying to get, as you guys can see, I was also trying to get the hair inside, and I'm like working small enough sections, but not too small sections at a time, because I was trying to finish, but also I didn't want to end up with too much hair that some hair doesn't get any heat on it at all, and it won't get straightened. So yeah, but I was trying to get inside so I don't have any little pieces of hair missing that have not been straightened out, and pretty much it just kept doing that. And I must say, I'm so obsessed with the way this wig came out. Like, guys, like, you have no idea. I was like shook. I was mighty shook. Like, yeah. But so this is basically what the wig looks like. Ignore my dirty mannequin head. But this is what the wig looks like, and I put it on and I'm like, why didn't I do this sooner? Like, I've been thinking of doing this for so long, but I hadn't done it sooner. But yeah, I actually made this wig. My favorite part about this wig is the closure. It's so, I love the closure. If you guys want to see how I make my wigs, you can click the link up in the corner and you see how I make my wigs. But yeah, like I said, I love this wig. It's so flowy, it's so bouncy, it's moving, it's got so much movement, it looks so pretty, and it's synthetic, guys. It is synthetic. But yeah, it's like giving me like serious rich auntie vibes, if you know what I mean. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this. I am obsessed with this wig. I don't think I'm gonna take it off, and it's so light. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.